It's Bonnie. I am back. We got to talk about some of the Bath & Body Works sale items today because tomorrow is the last day of the combo sale, which includes the Wallflowers and the soap for $3.50. I actually got one new soap today. I got the Pomegranate Citrus Fizz and then the Body Mist, which I got, if you saw my earlier video, I got the Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel Twisted Peppermint Trio. And then candles today are $13.95. So tomorrow, are we going to see that additional 20% off? We don't know. We could. It could be there. So keep your eyes out. If anything happens, I'll let you know. But right now, I wanted to review Santa's Workshop, which is one of the new Wallflower refills. This is a really good one. I used it today while I was cleaning. And I want to do a demo on the Wallflowers, just in case you haven't seen it. If you're brand new to Bath & Body Works, they're a little bit tricky. Has anyone noticed they changed over to paper wrappers, by the way, on these? So the first thing you're going to do when you get your plug home is you're going to take off this paper wrapper, which is actually pretty easy with the paper now. This one is $16.95. I got it for free with my app reward. Now, this is not a light up. This is just your standard plug. They have the really, big ones for Christmas, Halloween. I did get this light up early in the season. This is also a projector. It projects snowflakes on the wall. So I'll be talking about this one a little bit later, but these things are huge. A lot of people love their Wallflower plugs, and they're fun. But if you just want to get a basic one, like a step up from just the plain, and you want to get a fun Christmassy one, use your app reward. So first thing I want to mention is you can turn the plug on the back. I always demo that out when I'm talking about these, because if you're brand new, you're not going to know that. Because you know how you have the GFIs in the bathroom or the kitchen? You can turn that and plug it in if your plug is sideways. So that's a good trick to know. Second trick is, I always tell people, throw righty tighty loosey lefty out the window. I've had so many people tell me they've returned these because they can't get them open. There's a little arrow on top, which you can't see, but they unscrew in the opposite direction of what you think they're going to unscrew as. So you're going to unscrew the cap, and you're going to see a wick on top that goes all the way down to the bottom. So this is the fragrance oil. I love this one, by the way. Love it. So this one is called Santa's Workshop. And it is North Pole Air, Peppermint Rainbow Swirl, and Sugar Crystals. It's different from Twisted Peppermint in that it smells a little bit more just like a candy. There's like something about it that has just this delightful, there's almost like a little bit of a fruity note in there, like peppermint and fruit. But I love it. I love that we have additional peppermint choices, because I love Twisted Peppermint, but it's good to have variety. Snowed In is also peppermint. That's a peppermint buttercream that kind of smells like a frosting, but these are really good. So I had this one going earlier today. So what you're going to do is this hole on the bottom here, you're just going to take this and you're going to put the wick right here, and then you're going to screw this one in, and they're a little bit tricky. Like I just had this off center and it wasn't working too good. So I had to like straighten that out. Don't over twist them because you'll never get them undone and it could like break. So there you go. This is what it looks like once you have the bulb in. Now you're going to plug this into your wall and they start like working fairly quickly. And then the scent is going to come out the top. I can smell it actually now and it's not even plugged in. And then your room is going to smell like whatever scent you have. What I like about these is that you can like set them and forget them. So if you want like Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, Santa's Workshop in your house, you can plug this in, leave the house, leave it plugged in all night, which is nice because it's not a candle. You don't have to watch it. So I use these a lot more in the fall and the winter. I don't use them in the summer for whatever reason. I do use them like when I clean. So today what I did is I plugged this one in while I was cleaning, and I left it in for like probably like 7 hours because I cleaned and then I went out, I came back, and I was getting that really nice, like delightful, like peppermint Santa's workshop scent going in my house. So I was super happy when I came home and I could smell this. So what I do is I have a lot of things burning in my house, different candles that I review. So I don't leave these plugged in all the time. So what I do is I unscrew this, I put the cap back on, and then I have, like, let's see, I'm twisting it the wrong way. The cap won't go on. There we go. I got it. Oop. There we go. I couldn't do it. I've been doing this for years, and I always have to remember to do it the right way. I put the tag back on because you want your tag so you know what it is. They're actually etched on the top, but I can never read it. So put your tag back on, and then the next time you use it, you can just plug it in. A lot of people leave these plugged in like 24/7 until the liquid is actually gone. That's the other way to do it. There's no wrong way to use a fragrance refill. It's whatever you like. So like I said, I use them for like 7 or 8 hours. If I have guests coming over, I'll plug a bunch of them in. But for the most part, I don't like to leave them plugged in all the time because then I have these scents around my house and it's hard for me to review candles. If you're a frequent candle burner too, you might not want those like conflicting scents going on. So kind of your choice on how to use them, but I do like freshening things up when I'm cleaning. I also like putting them in the bathroom, makes the bathroom smell really good. So anyway, this is the cute little reindeer. I love this one. There are so many choices this year. For Christmas, I've put a lot of reels up. I've put a lot of YouTube shorts up, but I'm actually overwhelmed. There's nutcrackers, there's Christmas trees, there's like these adorable little, it's like this Mrs. Claus. I mean, there's so many of them out there this year, and they're all cute. Like, it's hard to resist these things because like you want all of them. So my advice is, I mean, if you're using them in every room, obviously go for it. However, if you're just getting them because they're cute, that's a tough one. Because once you have like this huge collection, you go, oh my gosh, why did I overbuy so many of these things? Which is what happened to me. I'm like, I don't need like 50 of these. So I'm trying to be really good. I got 2 this year. And I think that is like actually my limit because I have Christmas ones from years and I probably have like 50 of these total in my collection. I might do a video with my collection, but I'm trying to pare down a little. I always get the Halloween ones, as you know. So anyway, that is the reindeer one. Thank you so much for watching. $3.50 today on the refills. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.